In the attic, dust clung to the ancient typewriter. Every night, it clacked by itself, striking letters in the darkness. Tonight, curiosity won. I watched as pale keys hammered out, "I see you." My heart pounded as the carriage slid. Another message, "You see me." I stepped back, cold air swirling around my ankles. The typewriter rattled violently, metal shrieking as it spat out one last line. "Now we trade places." I blinked, paralyzed. My hands faded, replaced by cold iron keys. From the dusty corner, I watched my own body smile, flexing unfamiliar fingers ready to write.